1000 LB sisters Amy Slayton welcomes new baby with fiancé, Brian. In a heartwarming chapter of reality television's most emotionally charged journey, Amy Slayton, one half of the beloved Slayton sisters from TLC's 1000 LB Sisters, has once again captivated fans and viewers alike. This time, however, it's not about a dramatic weight loss update, a fiery family confrontation, or a surprise trip to the emergency room. Instead, the spotlight is focused on something far more joyful and pure, the arrival of her brand new Bye with her fiancé, Brian. Amy Slayton's life has unfolded in front of cameras for several years now, but the birth of her third child marks a significant and deeply personal milestone. After publicly navigating divorce, co-parenting challenges, and the complex dynamics of reality fame, Amy has emerged resilient and more grounded than ever before. Her newest chapter with Brian offers a new beginning, one not just about romance and rebuilding, but about family, healing, and growth. In an emotional announcement shared on her social media accounts, Amy Slayton introduced the world to her newborn, calling it the light after so much darkness. The news of the baby's birth sent shockwaves through the 1000 LB Sisters fandom, not because it was entirely unexpected, but because of the immense joy it brought to a fan base that has followed Amy through highs and lows. From her early days living in Dixon, Kentucky, to her transformative journey toward weight loss and emotional independence, Amy's story has always resonated because it is real, raw, and unapologetically vulnerable. That same authenticity has made her baby announcement all the more meaningful. The baby, whose name has not yet been revealed publicly at the time of writing, was born healthy and full-term, according to family sources. Weighing just over 7 pounds, the child is already being called a miracle baby by Amy's close friends, not only because of her age and health history but also because of the emotional terrain she has traversed in recent years. Having undergone bariatric surgery, experienced postpartum depression, and managed a split from her ex-husband Michael Halterman, Amy was unsure if another pregnancy would ever be possible, let alone safe. But then came Brian. Amy and Brian's relationship blossomed quietly in the months following her split from Michael. What began as a friendship quickly evolved into something deeper. Brian, a soft-spoken Kentucky native known for his calming presence and deep affection for children, entered Amy's life at just the right moment. While Amy was navigating single motherhood and the unpredictability of reality television fame, Brian stood by her with unwavering support. He wasn't interested in the cameras, the online rumors, or the chaos, he was interested in Amy. And she, in turn, found in Brian the emotional security and stability she hadn't realized she was missing. Their relationship moved at a pace that some fans questioned at first, especially considering Amy's previously fast-tracked romance and whirlwind wedding to Michael. However, those closest to her say that this time felt different. With Brian, she's calm. She's safe, a close family friend shared. He's never trying to control her or change her. He just supports her, and that's made all the difference. By the time Amy confirmed her pregnancy with Brian's child, the couple had already moved in together. Their home, a modest but cozy house nestled in a quiet Kentucky neighborhood, became a peaceful refuge from the outside world. Social media posts began to reflect that newfound peace, pictures of home-cooked meals, quiet movie nights, and simple moments of joy that stood in stark contrast to the turbulence of Amy's earlier years. Fans who once worried about Amy's well-being began to breathe a collective sigh of relief. Still, pregnancy wasn't easy. Amy openly discussed her fears, especially around the possibility of complications due to her past weight and existing health conditions. Throughout the pregnancy, she relied heavily on her medical team, as well as the support of Brian and her family, including her sister Tammy, who has also undergone dramatic life changes. Tammy, who has famously battled her own health and addiction demons, reportedly stepped into the role of doting aunt long before the baby arrived. In one particularly emotional episode filmed earlier this year, Amy and Tammy shared a heart-to-heart about motherhood and recovery. "It's not about being perfect," Amy told her sister. "It's about being present. And that's all I want for this baby, to be present and to love them like I know I can." Tammy, teary-eyed, responded with, "You already are. You are doing it." The arrival of the baby has also stirred speculation about the future of 1000 LB. Sisters, will viewer get to see the birth unfold on camera? Will Brian become a regular presence on the show? TLC has remained tight-lipped, issuing only a brief statement congratulating Amy and adding that more updates from the Slayton family will be coming soon. For now, it remains unclear whether the cameras were rolling in the delivery room, but given the franchise's history of intimate documentation, it's not out of the realm of possibility. One thing is certain, the Slayton family story is evolving. Once defined by food addiction, codependency, and emotional chaos, it now offers a narrative of redemption and growth. Tammy's own transformation, including dramatic weight loss and a newfound lease on life, mirrors the changes in Amy's world. Together, the sisters are charting a new course not just as reality stars, but as women reclaiming their futures. For Amy, the birth of her new baby with Brian is more than a personal triumph, it's a testament to her growth. In a moving Instagram post, she wrote, "I've cried more tears of joy than I ever thought possible. My baby is here, healthy, loved, safe, and I feel whole." The accompanying photo, an image of Amy's hand wrapped around her baby's tiny fingers, quickly went viral, with fans and fellow reality stars flooding the comments with congratulations and heartfelt messages. Though parenting 3 children under the age of 5 is no easy feat, Amy appears ready to rise to the challenge. She has spoken candidly about the lessons she learned from raising her 2 sons, Gage and Glenn, and how those experiences have shaped her approach to motherhood this time around. "I've learned not to sweat the small stuff," she said during a recent live stream. "They just want love. All the rest is extra." Brian, for his part, is said to be over the moon. Friends describe him as a hands-on dad who wakes up for feedings, changes diapers without being asked, and spends hours simply cuddling with the baby. His bond with Gage and Glenn has also reportedly grown stronger, with the boys affectionately referring to him as Daddy B. There's something profoundly powerful about seeing Amy Slayton, once dismissed by critics as a reality show cautionary tale, step confidently into a new life defined by love, purpose, and second chances. Her story, while still unfolding, serves as a reminder that transformation is possible not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually. As she embraces this new chapter with Brian and their newborn, Amy Slayton is no longer the woman she once was. She's more resilient, more self-aware, and more determined than ever to create the life she and her children deserve. And though the cameras may fade and fame may shift, the one constant in her story is her unwavering devotion to her family. In the end, that may be the most powerful transformation of all. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.